I like to come in and encourage people to try building a house for experience. Now, I'm not going out here telling you, so don't be saying, well, you told me to build this. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm saying what I like to do is I talk to different people that have a desire to build a house. I tell them, go out, if you've never built a house before, find a decent piece of land, verify what you can do on it. If you can do a land development deal, then do a land development deal. Maybe you can take that piece of land and put a duplex on it rather than a single family home. Maybe you can take that piece of land and break it up and put 3 houses on it. I like to do that. That gives me the ability to be at a very low price, and I can walk into the deal like that. But what I want to do and what I want other people to experience, and I can tell you there's about a half a dozen right here of people where I live that we have had conversations and I've talked them into building their own properties. And all of them are builders today. And they just go in, they build a very simple house. If you got to hire a contractor, hire a contractor. Find somebody. You don't want to hire the biggest contractor in your neighborhood. They're not going to give you a break. Hire somebody that can do it, reference from friends and stuff if it's in your area. Do not just go out and hire the cheapest guy. You don't want that. That's going to come back to haunt you. Do not hire somebody who's not licensed. Do not hire somebody who's not insured. Do not hire somebody who, I used to use the terminology as a trunk slammer. All their tools fit in the trunk of their car. When they close their car, their office, their business, and everything goes with them.